Hello, good afternoon. It's Thursday and I'm going to show to you a new product that is very popular in the market this time. Okay, the name of the product is Orami. Orami. Um, this is a whitening soap. This is from Korea, originally from Korea. So they said every product is made with love. It's made with love. So they have this whitening soap that I thought it is very small. It is small, but it's huge. Okay, let's open this. Let's open. Okay. They have a lot of products like for melasma, anti-melasma serum. We are going to try also for our melasma. Okay, so this is the Orami whitening soap. Paano ba ito buksan? Ay, pag-ibig. Oh my God. So, need to do like this, right? This. And pull it up. So, it is this. Okay? So, yeah. Wow. It is very difficult to get this Orami. Okay. Very nice packaging, right? Okay. And here you go. The Orami. Oh. The smell is good. Maliit lang siya pala, pero mahal siya, day. Mahal, pero sige. I-try natin para pag okay siya, ibebenta ko sa inyo. Gusto ko kasi pag before ako magbenta, sinubukan ko muna sa sarili ko. Okay? So, ang ganda ng packaging. So, ilalagay mo pala siya dito. So let's put it na. Let's put it na. Para bongga. Para masubukan na mamaya. Pag pumuti tayo, bebenta ko sa inyo. Magbebenta ako sa inyo. Diba? So, yun siya. Yeah, put it inside. Hindi muna tayo magbenta hanggat di nasubukan. Okay, and then ganito. Ang bango. Kailangan natin siyang buhulin para maging plaster ba. Ayan. So yan, maganda yung packaging niya, in fairness. Diba? Orami. So meron siyang ano dito, voucher. Pag nag-order ako uli, pwede kong gamitin yung voucher. Diba? Meron kasi siyang Orami serum, anti-melasma. I-try natin yung anti-melasma niya pagdating ng panahon. Clinical studies, anti-melasma treatment. Clinical test at melasma. So before, after. Meron siya mga before and after. So ayan, world class daw siya. Okay? Try natin to mamaya. I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you.